Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Yeah, much awaited. I know a lot of people asked me for a Bonk update, but yeah, it's someone asked me if have I stopped the daily Bonk updates? It's all about capacity. If I could, I would update every coin every day. It just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. But also there are more updates for gold members in the membership, for different coins. But I cannot make a video for every coin every single day. This doesn't work from a capacity point of view. Also, of course, the membership needs to include additional value. Well, there's plenty of value, including the Tradingview charts, but still can't cover everything as a video every single day. But hey, it's time for another Bonk update. And yeah, I mean, the price is respecting support. Even the micro support area got respected, I think, after the last video. And also the resistance levels are being respected, but we just can't see a clear, let's say, sustained uptrend. I mean, it's sort of hovering between support, between resistance, a little bit in no man's land, I would say here, until we get a break finally above resistance or a break below support, but ideally above resistance. There is not much new to say because this is just moving sideways at the moment. We've had from the April low, obviously a 5-wave move up, 3-wave pullback into this support region, which I called upper support, in contrast to the lower main support area here. But this upper support area has been with us now since June. And the market, well, attempted a turnaround, okay, failed, tested support again, didn't make a new low, made actually some higher highs here. That was the high on the 11th of July. I then added a micro support region. I think that was actually already mentioned in the last video. The price actually turned around, I think, after the last video. And we've now moved into resistance again. So it's a bit unclear what this is because it's just moving in corrective structures up and down. The bearish count would be that this is a B-wave rally, which could top at any point, but ideally also here moves a little bit higher, possibly. But it could top at any point, this wave C of Y of B. Don't think I have high confidence in the bearish count. I don't. But also with regards to the bullish count, we could say that this here is a wave 1. This here is a wave 2, this correction on the 5th of July. We might be in a third wave, then a 4 and 5, and this might be another diagonal pattern. Yeah. The problem is this looks corrective, this looks corrective. There is just nothing clearly bullish here at the moment. I mean, the levels can be used and everything, but I don't have a very clear micro count. I find other charts a bit clearer at the moment, like ADA, VeChain, possibly even DOT, Link. This here has turned into a bit of a mess, but soon, or as soon as Bonk breaks free, we can follow the yellow count here. I mean, it's about understanding the relevant Fib levels and what is the key level that the third wave should reach. Well, see, it's here, the 1.38 extension. It's at 317525. If we then get another 4-5 pattern, we have the next 5-wave move up. These are the parameters, but how exactly it's going to do that, difficult to say. The wave C, I mean, this would be wave C of 3, right? So the C wave ideally gets at least one more high to reach the 317525 level. Well, if it doesn't and moves back into support, it might be that this B wave is still unfolding. See, it is just sideways action, and the waves aren't really predictive in these corrective movements, but the levels can help. So obviously you can see how relevant the Fib levels are, this support area. And then here the resistance area has now been respected for the second time, maybe even the third time. I'm not sure if we had it already on the chart here, but this resistance area is between 270, 715 and 315. Well, it's actually this one. I mean, they're so close together, in 317525. But what else can I say? I mean, we need a break above the initial resistance area. That would help. And that would mean a break above 317525 in 5 waves. Okay, and then we have some clarity that we're in the breakout. But the problem is this looks all corrective. This double bottom isn't clear. So it hasn't really made much movement in this possible third wave here to the upside yet. So new lows might be coming. Just be prepared for it. We need some more clarity, some more price action here for let's say a very clear interpretation. The price action is too ambiguous for a very clear leaning, I would say, at the moment. And let's say the yellow count is my best guess at the moment. In the support areas, as long as they are holding, I'd say the focus can be on higher, especially because we have the larger 1-2 setup here. But if we test support again, then the 161464 level will be relevant for the overall bullish scenario. Really not much more to add at the moment. Maybe we'll see a little bit more upside momentum also once Bitcoin completes its wave 4 correction that we talked about the Bitcoin charts on the Bitcoin chart in the Bitcoin video. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.